Are you recovering from a total knee replacement and have found struggles with stiffness or pain along your scar tissue? You are not alone and there's help. At True Health and Performance, we use cupping therapy and scar massage to support recovery every step of the way. Myofascial decompression, also known as cupping, uses gentle suction to lift the skin and tissues around the knee replacement. This may improve blood flow and also may break up adhesions along the scar tissue. Early on, it may also reduce swelling, stiffness, and supports healing. Later in your care, it may soften tough scar tissue, which may allow you to move more freely with your new knee replacement. Scar massage works alongside cupping to mobilize the tissue, reduce tightness surrounding your knee replacement, and may also help you restore flexibility. A gentle technique in the early phase may also ease swelling, reduce sensitivity, while focused pressure later on in your care may break up adhesions and improve movement for your knee replacement. If you are ready to move better, feel stronger, and take back your mobility following your total knee replacement, or you have felt left behind with your rehab and your previous physical therapy, check us out and learn how cupping and scar massage can transform your recovery at True Health and Performance.